Hello, welcome to LeadMaster. In this tutorial, you will learn about the advanced version of the Activity Hub. The Activity Hub is a report that shows you all of the activities that are taking place in your database. In a previous video, you learned about the simplified version. That report is available from the Searches accordion, and this is what it looks like. The advanced version is available under the Dashboard tab on the home page. Before we go over the features of the report, let's learn how you can configure your system to be able to use this report. Head to Admin, select Manage Work Groups. In Tracking, Aging, Auditing, and Logging, enable the option to record activity logs. Next, in Available Reports, it is necessary to have access to the Activity Hub. Then, go to Logon Management, and in Internal Settings, scroll down to Reports. You must have access to all reports or to the Activity Hub report. Log out, log in, and now you are ready to add a dashboard. To create an activity dashboard, first go to Dashboards, My Dashboards, then select Add a Dashboard. We suggest having the Activity Hub on its own dashboard because it takes up the entire width of the screen. Next, go to My Dashboard Reports. Click Add a Report, select the Activity Hub report, select your dashboard, and you're good to go. To begin, let's review the menus available. Under Page Options, the first option is to select the page. This selects the records that we will work for when we take actions. Next, under Page Options, you can also clear the page. We can also change the view. Changing the view allows you to specify which fields are visible, in which order, the width of each, and the sort order. Start by giving it a name. Next, decide whether or not you want everyone in the workgroup to have access to this view. If it's public, everyone will see it. Then decide if this will be a default view for you or a default view for everyone. Then, decide on the fields you would like to view. To add a field, simply select it and click Add. Once you have added it, you can move it up and down, and you may also remove it. Once you have added a field, you can set the width for it. Finally, decide the sort preference, then click Submit. Once this is saved, select the view. Click Submit, and the report is updated. Next is the report width. You can add any width that ranges from 800 to 3000. This is convenient for people who have large monitors. Now, let's review the actions. First is Archive. This will remove records from this report, but it does not do anything with the records in the database. It merely removes the record and puts it in an archive. Note that there is no confirmation. The system just does it. Next, you can assign. This is the same dialog that you see everywhere else when you're assigning records inside the system. Next, you can add a note. This is a powerful feature because you can add notes to multiple records here. In fact, this is the only place in the application where you can add a note to multiple records. Next, there is Delete. This deletes the record from the report. You can also print or email a record. This is the same window you see on the Sales Update page when you choose Print or Email a Record. And finally, Follow. You may have a lot of activities happening in your database, but you might only want to follow a few. Following is a way to see only activities you want to pay attention to, and that brings us to the next section. Right now, I'm looking at all records. And now, here are the ones that are being followed. There are now 4 companies being followed. Just like you follow, you can also unfollow. Let's go back to all records. The next section allows you to exclude your actions, include your actions, or show only your actions. If we include our actions, additional things appear. If we show only our actions, it narrows it down further. If you have more activity on a record, you can view only the last action, which will narrow this down so that you only have one record for each company. Here are the last actions. Next to this, you have the ability to opt to show only last activity, comments and notes, file uploads and attachments, workflow updates, record updates, and/or emails. The search function will work across most of the fields that you have displayed. If you want to view Account Manager Don Hall, type in his name and click Go. Now let's search for new leads. You can search the archive, and here you may also restore archive records. Click on Go to the Activity Hub to go back to the Activity Hub and click Refresh to view any activities that have taken place since you clicked on the tab for the Activity Hub. Let's explore the Take Action button. You can click on the plus sign. It will open a new window, and you can scroll this and it will show you all the comments and notes. You can also edit the notes directly from here. Add new notes, delete notes, or update them. These fields have a control up at the top and you can rearrange these. And you can also click on the field name to change the sort order. Finally, you have the ability to download the data in the activity report. There are built-in templates, or you can create one by clicking on Manage Download Templates. Add a download template, select what you would like to see, give it a name, then click Save Changes. This concludes the video on the Advanced Activity Hub. Thanks for watching.